3 divided by 1 over 9, then times 9. 3 divided by 1 over 9, then times 9. We can easily cancel this 9 and this 9. So we have here just 1. And 3 divided by 1 gives us 3. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, division and multiplication have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay? So first we have to do this division. 3 divided by 1 over 9. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 3 times 9. And again we have here times 9. Now we have two multiplications. And when we have more than one multiplication in one expression, we have to go from left to right. So first this multiplication, 3 times 9 gives us 27. So 27 times 9 gives us 9 times 7 gives us 63. So we write 3 here and carry 6 here. 9 times 2 gives us 18. So 18 plus 6 gives us 24. So our final answer to this problem is just 243. The correct answer is 243.